Introducing the 2024 Cupra Leon 2.0 TDI 150 HP 5-door in sleek black. This estate vehicle is equipped with a 2-litre diesel engine and manual transmission for a powerful yet efficient ride, packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, ABS, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning. You can cruise in style and peace of mind. The interior boasts luxury trim and privacy glass for added elegance and security. Additionally, with features like an anti-collision system, emergency call, and stop-start system, this vehicle ensures a safe journey every time. Fully serviced and backed by comprehensive warranties, this Cupra Leon has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check for your peace of mind. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details. Drive away in style and safety today.